Hi, my name's Adam and I'm going to change the angle of this camera today because I want to show you something that arrived and you can unbox it with me. So I got this. I can't even remember it. Well, I do sort of remember ordering it, the Curiosity box, but it's been sitting here for weeks because I thought I'd do a video as I opened it and then I forgot about it, and well, here we are. So let's check out what's in it. Curiosity Quarterly. Oh, I think it is a subscription. I can't remember if I just got the one or Diamond Hourglass. All right, book of what's in it, transparent lock and mallet, beanie of infinite temperature, more brain food, time is money, hour time glass. Right, so there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. Let's have a look. I think that's just a little curiosity box. So they're the things that I think that's in it this time. What do we got? All right, what do we got here? The beanie of infinite temperature. All right, stick her off. Well, maybe, did they know I was bald? Maybe this is just perfect. All right, first thing, pretty cool. What do we got? Minute Earth Explains. How did whales get so big? Bit of a book, something. And other curious questions about animals, nature, geology, and planet Earth. All right, I'll actually enjoy that. What have we got here in this little section that's sectioned off? That's my little mallet. Don't lose your place in the book. Arm yourself with these bookmarks. Right, okay, so some bookmarks. Oh, something looks like secret. How many books do they think I'm going to read? Better get my reading going, hey? Well, some bookmarks, hey? Looks like things off octopi? What's multiple octopuses? Who knows? Might be in the book. Oops, we locked the keys in the box. Scan the code to see what we mean. All right, okay, so there's obviously, might be a puzzle. There's my lock. Guess I need the keys for that. And what have we got here? The Hourglass contains 100 carats of diamonds. Okay. I think these are the type of diamonds that they create, not ones that have been created by time, lab created. I think I might have read that when I ordered it. I guess I don't. Ooh, what have we got? Horological device contains 100 carats of genuine diamonds created by chemical vapor deposition, CVD. Didn't know that was a thing. Residual nitrogen trapped in their crystal lattice gives them their deep characteristic colour. Okay. It's not breaking on its first day. Here's my hourglass. Well, I won't time it for you. Well, it's not a bit. That's pretty cool though. Don't mind that. Have some fun with that. Might be it. That's my curiosity box. Well, I'm going to figure out what's going on with that. I'm going to read my book and stay nice and warm in my... I wonder if it's cooling too, if it's an infinite... beanie of infinite colour. Have some fun today. All right, I'm going to, curiously.